Okay, so here is today's question. What does 1 pound of worms look like? I'm getting ready to pack up one of our science projects, one of our school kits. I got to poke holes in this one yet. But here's a container that I've pretty much sorted through a bunch of compost, pulled out the worms, and now we're going to see what does a pound of worms look like. And let me dump it over. They burrow down to the bottom. So they're hiding. Look at that. Now I'm going to take the scale over here. Let's turn the scale on. Zero out the scale to take off the weight of the basket here. And start adding worms. Look at these guys. It's like ground beef without the ground. They just swarm together and keep themselves, try and get out of the sunlight, and since there's not much for them to hide in, they bundle up together. And from where I'm standing, I can't tell if the camera's focused or not, so we're just going to pray. There we have 9 ounces. And I think I was well over a pound by the time I finished throwing them in here. 13 ounces. 13 ounces. 14.5 ounces. So I might have to go get a few more out of the compost bin to round off the pound here. But look at those guys. They're just all in there being happy. And we're going to pack them up, add some compost and shredded paper, and pack them up to ship. These guys are leaving for California first thing in the morning. And we'll have a student out there with a worm farm. And in a month, this pound will be 1.5 or 2 pounds, composting like crazy for them. So that's the end of your compost moment for today. Tune in to CompostCritter.com as often as you can. It's Jeff Kurtz. Have a good afternoon. Bye-bye.